when we bought it, it took 6 weeks, and then selling it took another like month to 6 weeks, right?
When I put stuff on like Facebook Marketplace, you get all the haters and stuff. And so this one that I think the issue we had with this one was that we didn't rehab it. It was livable, but everything was outdated, and people didn't understand that like us selling it at 220 was close to a $40,000 discount, because people just don't know how to evaluate real estate. So they were like $220,000 for that piece of crap. And literally, if you just put new floors and paint in, it would look like almost a brand new house. So like that whole process was difficult. I think if I go to my inbox for Facebook Marketplace, I probably have close to 300 different conversations with people that were interested. And I think from all those 300, only like 2 or 3 people actually showed up to the house. And then we got the one offer from this buyer. And obviously, because we didn't have a ton of offers, we were lenient with her and got a little bit less cash flow, but we got that down payment of $25,000.